In last lecture, we have studied about Lewis acid, Lewis base, ligand, central metal atom. Now we are going to study again coordination compounds. In this coordination compound, what is meant by ligand? Then, suppose we have taken here compound like Ni, Cl3, 6H2. This compound we can write like this: Ni, H2O. How many times? 6 times. Cl3. This square bracket is complete, and Cl3. This compound is called as a coordination compound. This compound is called as a coordination compound. जो कंपाउंड अशा पद्धतीने लिहिलेला असेल त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड. कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये दोन स्फिअर असतात. देयर आर टू स्फिअर. कोऑर्डिनेशन compound. In a coordination compound, there are two spheres. The entity inside this square bracket, that is called as coordination sphere. And the entity outside the square bracket, that is called as ionization sphere. The entity inside the square bracket, that is called as coordination sphere, or it is also called as coordination entity. And the entity outside the square bracket, that is called as a ionization sphere, or it is also called as counter ions. This is a coordination compound. There are two spheres: coordination sphere and ionization sphere. Ionization sphere मध्ये काय आहे? आयन्स आहेत. कोणते आयन्स आहेत? क्लोराइड आयन्स. That ions are called as a counter ions. Why this sphere, square bracket sphere? Square bracket मध्ये जी एंटिटी आहे त्याला आपण coordination sphere का म्हटलंय? कारण here because there is a nickel atom. Nickel is a metal. That nickel is central metal atom. And these water molecules in between this metal and this ligands, H2O are the ligands. These ligands forms a coordinate bond with nickel. Why? Because this H2O is a ligand. Water molecules are the ligands which donates its lone pair electron to the nickel. Its structure is like this. How many water molecules here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is structure for this coordination compound. There are 6 water molecules. These 6 water molecules, in a water molecule there is oxygen having a lone pair of electron. That lone pair is donated to the nickel. Nickel is a central metal atom here. Nickel is a central metal atom. This nickel having a empty d orbital. It is having a empty d orbital. This oxygen having a lone pair of electron. This oxygen donates its lone pair electron to the nickel. Therefore, that nickel is called as a central metal atom. These water molecules are called as a ligands. याला काय म्हणतो आपण? Ligands. There are 6 water molecules which binds to the nickel with which bond? Coordinate bond. Which bond? Coordinate bond. These are the coordinate bond denoted by arrow. Arrowhead is towards the electron deficient species. This nickel is the electron deficient species which accepts the pair of electron. Therefore, it is called as a central metal atom. याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? Central metal atom. These water molecules are called as a, त्याला काय म्हणणार आहे आपण? Ligands. Then this entity inside the square bracket. ही एंटिटी कशामध्ये असणार आहे? स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट मध्ये. आणि त्याच्या आउटसाइडला जे असतील दॅट इज क्लोराइड आयन्स, Cl3. These Cl3 ions are called as a counter ions. याला काय म्हणणार आहे आपण? काउंटर आयन्स. आणि याला काय म्हणणार आहे? कोऑर्डिनेशन स्पियर, आणि यालाच काय म्हणणार आहे परत आपण आयोनायझेशन स्पियर असंही म्हणू शकतो. दिस इज अ कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाऊंड. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण लिगँडची एक डेफिनेशन करू शकतो. काय डेफिनेशन करू शकतो की लिगँड काय करतो, इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअर काय करतो, लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन काय करतो, डोनेट करतो कुणाला, सेंट्रल मेटल ऍटमला. नाउ अबाउट द लिगँड. इन अ लिगँड देयर आर लिगँड. इट इज फ्रॉम ग्रीक वर्ड. कशापासून आलेला हा शब्द, ग्रीक वर्ड. विच इज दॅट वर्ड, दॅट इज लिगेअर. लिगेअर मीन्स टू बाइंड. टू बाइंड. हा काय करतो, बाइंड करण्याचं काम करतो. लिगँड काय करतो, बाइंड करण्याचं काम करतो. atoms, ions or molecules which binds the central metal atom by donating its lone pair of electron. म्हणजेच आपण लिगँडची डेफिनेशन काय करू शकतो, लिगँड इज द स्पेसिस which donates its lone pair of electron to the central metal atom. Ligand is the species which donates its lone pair of the electron to the central metal atom. That species is known as a ligand. Now there are types of ligands. Ligands donates its lone pair of electron to the central metal atom. Therefore, on the basis of donating side there are types of ligands. First type is monodentate ligands. Monodentate ligands, or it is also called as unidentate ligands. Unidentate ligands. The ligands which can make only one coordinate bond with a central metal atom. The ligands which can make only one coordinate bond or single coordinate bond with a central metal atom, that ligands are called as a monodentate ligands. Means monodentate ligands are those which having a only one donor site is available. तिथे काय असतं, जे लिगँड्स फक्त एकच इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअर काय करू शकतात, डोनेट करू शकतात, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, मोनोडेंटेड लिगँड्स. दिस ligands which can donate one lone pair of electrons, that is called as a monodentate ligands. It can donate only one lone pair of electron, therefore it can make only one or single coordinate bond. For example, NH2. In this NH2 that is nitrogen having a lone pair of electron, it can be donate single lone pair of electron. Then chloride, it's having also single lone pair of electron. Bromine, iodine, H2. In a H2 there is also only one lone pair of electron can be donated by oxygen atom. In each atom, here nitrogen can donate only single lone pair of electron, chlorine can donate only single lone pair of electron, bromine can also donate single lone pair of electron, iodine can also donate single pair of electron, lone pair of electron, and oxygen can donate single pair of lone pair of electron. Therefore, these ligands are called as a monodentate ligands, or it is also called as unidentate ligands. Then second, bidentate ligands. Bidentate ligands, the ligands which can donate two lone pair of electrons. Which can donate two lone pair of electrons means there are how many donor sites are available? There are two donor sites are available. Means it can donate two lone pair of electrons. that ligands are called as a bidentate ligands. The ligands which can donate two lone pair of electrons means the bidentate ligands can make two coordinate bonds. Monodentate ligands can make single coordinate bond with a central metal atom. Bidentate ligands which can make two coordinate bonds with a central metal atom. For example, ethylene diamine. Structure of ethylene diamine is like as CH2, again here CH2, this CH2 attached with NH2, NH2. This is a ethylene diamine structure. In this ethylene diamine, there are two nitrogen atoms. These two nitrogen atoms can donate two lone pair of electrons. One of the lone pair of electron from this nitrogen and one of the lone pair of electron from this nitrogen. There are two donor sites are available. These both two nitrogen atoms donates its lone pair of electron to the central metal atom or a metal. Therefore, there are two donor sites are available for the donation of lone pair of electron. Therefore, it is called as a bidentate ligands. Its example is a ethylene diamine. This is the first example. Then second. As a second example आहे oxalate ion. Oxalate ion. COO minus. COO minus. Here both these oxygen atoms can donate its electron pair to the central metal atom. This arrowhead is towards the metal. Here also this oxygen can donate its lone pair of electron to the metal, and this oxygen can also donate its lone pair of electron to the metal. There are two donor sites available. See here, these two sites means the two oxygen atoms can donate its lone pair of electron to the metal. Here also two nitrogen atoms can donate its electron pair to the central metal atom. म्हणजे इथे किती साइट्स अवेलेबल आहे इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेशन साठी? टू साइट्स आर अवेलेबल. Means two lone pair of electrons can be donated. Therefore, two coordination bonds can be formed. Therefore, that ligands are called as a bidentate ligands. Now next, tridentate ligand. What happens in a tridentate ligand? In a tridentate ligand, there are three sites are available for the donation of lone pair of electron to the central metal atom.